This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to change the theme on Trading 212. If you're looking to customize your Trading 212 app for a more personalized experience, changing the theme is a simple yet effective way to do that. Whether you prefer a brighter interface or a darker one to ease your eyes during late-night trading sessions, Trading 212 offers a few options to suit your preference. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to open the Trading 212 app on your device. Once you have it open, look for the menu icon. It's usually located at the top or bottom corner of the app interface, depending on your device. Give it a tap, and you'll see a menu with several options. Next, you'll want to scroll down until you find the option labeled Settings. Tap on it, and this will lead you to a new menu where you can adjust various features of the app. Within this settings menu, you're looking for an option that says Appearance or Theme. This is where the magic happens. Once you've located and tapped on Appearance or Theme, you'll be presented with a few theme options. Trading 212 generally offers three main themes: Light Mode, Dark Mode, and Navy. If you prefer a classic and bright look, Light Mode might be the best choice for you. However, if you often trade at night or just prefer a sleeker, more modern look, you might want to choose Dark Mode or Navy. The Navy theme offers a unique twist, providing a slightly different aesthetic compared to the standard dark theme. After you make your selection, your app theme will change instantly. This means you can immediately see how your new theme looks and feels. If you're not satisfied, feel free to switch back or try a different one. The process is quick and easy, so you can experiment to find the theme that best suits your style and needs. And there you have it. Changing the theme on Trading 212 is a straightforward process that can enhance your trading experience. Personalizing your app not only makes it more visually appealing, but can also make navigating through your trades more enjoyable. Remember, you can always switch back if you decide to try a different theme later on. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.